Want to skyrocket your website's credibility and turn visitors into paying customers? Let's dive straight into embedding those powerful Google reviews onto your WordPress Elementor website in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type in Widget for Google Reviews, find the plugin by Trustindex, and click Install Now followed by Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new option in your WordPress menu called Reviews. Click on it. Now, hit the Connect Google button, follow the on-screen instructions to link your Google account, and choose the Google place your business from which you want to pull the reviews. Next, it's time to customize how your reviews will look. Explore the plugin settings to tweak the theme, decide how many reviews to display, and even filter reviews based on star rating. Get it looking just right for your website style. Now, let's jump into Elementor. Open the page where you want to showcase your stellar reviews. In the Elementor panel, search for Widget for Google Reviews. Simply drag and drop the widget onto your desired location on the page. And just like that, your Google reviews should instantly appear. Tweak the widget settings within Elementor for final adjustments, and then click Update to publish your page. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded Google reviews onto your website. Get ready to build trust, boost conversions, and watch your business thrive.